Hello guys, in this video I will show you OpenAI is actually releasing GPT 5.5, which is actually the latest model inside their series. If you directly type here OpenAI GPT 5.5 leak question mark, you will see various articles which will come right here. This is actually very talked about inside Reddit communities. Various articles are also written right here. So many people are talking that this GPT 5.5 is releasing. So you can see the post on X and you can see on Reddit as well. Many people are saying that GPT 5.5 is releasing. This week it will be released. So it will be here in the coming weeks. It will be released. So now to check this, it's very easy. You go to the official website. Whenever it will be released, it will be coming right here. So right here you will be seeing this model. It will be released right here. And one other location where you can actually check it is Open Router, which is a very famous website where actually whenever a new model is released, you will get the notification first of all. So right here you simply search GPT 5.4. So the currently, as you see, 5.5 is not released. Currently the latest model is GPT 5.4, which was released right inside March 5th, 2026. So just last month it was released, and now in the coming week it will be releasing 5.5. So whenever it will be released, you will be clicking the chat button to actually try out the model for completely free right here. You can even create an API key as well by going to credit. From here you can try out this model for completely free, and an official website also. So you can see OpenAI GPT 5.5. They are telling that this will be a very great model. It is having this nickname which is Spud. So it is called as Spud. The nickname is given to as Spud. So whenever it will be released, it will be a very high model. It will be very popular as compared to the Claude Opus, Claude Sonnet, Gemini. It will be really powerful. So I have studied about this model. Various comments are, as you can see in the Reddit community, they are telling that this will be a powerful model. This will actually be very helpful for coding, software development, game development as well. So you can just see this is release. This is actually done by official community of OpenAI on Reddit. They asked this question that ChatGPT 5.5 released today. So there has been a continuous flow of posts on X regarding the launch of 5.5 connected to the outage we are experiencing now, but these posts seem to be deleted over and over again. So they also are talking about official release of this. So within this week, I am pretty sure this model will be released and you will be able to use it. So kindly go to Open Router whenever it will be released. It will be posted here, and also you can other check out this website as well, Hugging Face Co. Here also, whenever new models are released, you will get a notification. And one other website is Olama. So whenever there is new models are released, they will also post right here as well. So currently if you type it for GPT, it is not released up till now. So definitely check this out. Whenever it will be released on these websites, you will get a notification. So thank you very much for watching this video.